We got invited to come to MAGIC for the first time, really take our technology and introduce sustainability was a key point. How can we use nanotechnology to make the fabric last longer, wash less, or wash with less chemical use and things like that?
Yeah, there's a really strong trend in consumer-driven product as they're becoming more aware of where their products are coming from and the purpose of it and how it's being treated. So what is your perspective on the whole concept of sustainability, and how does your company kind of fall into that term?
Yeah, so sustainability is a big key point with a lot of countries right now. Everyone's looking for a greener way of producing any materials, especially with fabrics, with the dyes and the rinses and things like that. What we're trying to do is we're trying to introduce nanotechnology where it doesn't change the texture. Everyone's really concerned about the textural feel of things, the softness, the comfort level, but they're also looking at some technical benefits. How do we increase performance? So I see a lot of performance wear. Smart wear is like the next big thing now, where everyone's tracking their telemetry, how to be healthier. But again, how do we introduce technology where it doesn't change any of the fabric feel? It doesn't change the comfort of cotton and what everyone's really used to. All this new technology that comes out. It could be waterproof, but it changes the breathability. Then it becomes very suffocating. People don't like that, or it becomes very stiff, and they don't like that either. So with nanotechnology, and I'll give you a good example, is literally this Kleenex. So at this show, we waterproofed Kleenex, and we wanted to demo this here. And we can actually pass this around later just to show what it does. It doesn't change the texture at all of Kleenex, and what happens is water would just beat up on there and just float around and move around, and still is breathable, doesn't change the textural component of fabric.
It's literally just sitting on the Kleenex.
Everyone asks why we use Kleenex. We use Kleenex because everyone relates to it better. Everyone's blown their nose or gotten sick one time or another. But that was the best product to kind of introduce nanotechnology.
Dry as well.
Yes. Very, very thin coating is what nanotechnology is. Yeah. So ultra thin coating.
Can you talk a little bit about what you shared earlier before we began on the laundering and the benefits of that, and how this technology is really going to improve at the consumer level, and the ease and the efficiency of where this sort of technology will take product and apparel into the future?
Right, absolutely. So why do we want to waterproof like clothing? I think we create a product we can waterproof clothing for up to 20 washes. And that way you're using less chemical. We just need water to wash the clothes at that point. You don't have to use any softeners, detergents, or any bleaches, and all of that runoff will goes in the ocean. When you're just using water to clean, and your clothes are cleaner all the time because you don't get the stains, all the mold, the mildew, and all that stuff on your clothing, you can wash it a lot less. So I think there's a huge benefit in reducing chemical use. And even on the manufacturing side, because we are a silicone-based product, it maintains the softness of it, where you don't have to add silicone softeners to make the fabric really soft. We're trying to increase that process. Our next product, we don't stop innovating. We're at 20 washes now. Our next product, our target is to do 30 washes and up to 50 washes and ultimately 100 washes. That's where we wanted to take it.
One last question, and then I'll open it up for anyone here. This concept of speed to market and getting products quickly on demand, with your technology and at the textile level, do you see that impacting in any way on the efficiency of product and production for apparel?
So we designed our product for very simple use. We actually designed it, if we were a consumer like you, can you use this process? So we made it so that every consumer can use it even at their home. And with that, we can integrate to the manufacturing side very easily. So the product is quite simple to use. You just have to spray on the fabric and heat it, and that's it. So we've integrated a few plants in China right now. Our challenge has been introducing our technology to the masses so that people can understand there's a better solution out there that you can use. And that's kind of been our challenge, yeah.
And do you have a demo or anything that you have to share with us?
So we have a video showing some of the technologies we can do, and we can have it played on this TV for everyone to see.
Regular tissue paper disintegrates in water. Through nanotechnology, this coated Kleenex tissue stays dry and maintains its original appearance. Nanotechnology can help gain sustainability for your company. We're all about a better tomorrow, with coatings that are non-toxic and eco-friendly. Getting dirty less means less washing. Simply wash fabrics with water. No need to use daily harsh chemicals such as bleach and detergents. Help reduce toxic runoff into our waters for cleaner oceans and rivers. All made possible through strong water and oil repelling properties that last for up to multiple washes. Does not affect fabric texture and allows fabrics to maintain its breathability. 99% of bacteria can also be repelled. Keep fabrics like sheets cleaner for longer periods of time and get healthy sleep. All of our solutions can be easily integrated into manufacturing lines. With a formula that dries on clear and is cured by air drying or applying heat. See instant waterproofing results for all your apparel. Our advanced fabric protectant solutions work on any type of textile and fabric and protect it from water, oil, dirt, and stains. Its invisible coating can be used on clothing, furniture, backpacks, shoes, and more. We can waterproof smart garments, smartphones, shoes, and smart watches. Electronics made IP68 certified in less than 3 minutes. Expand the lifetime of your smartwear and electronics with Snapguard Solutions.
Amount of limitless possibilities you can embark upon in not only the apparel industry but several industries. Can you talk about other areas of the market that you are also in?
Yeah, so our first company, we have three subsidiaries, and NanoFlowX is our first company in electronics. We wanted to waterproof electronics because of the e-waste. It's all new technology now is very small, and to remove any of the small components to make it recyclable is very, very difficult. So people just toss them away and go to third world countries. We're trying to eliminate that because water is the biggest factor that damages these circuit boards. By coating them, we have the world's fastest coating process. Literally no training, nothing, no special tools. The process takes about 2 minutes to do, and anyone can do it. Like just to coat any electronics, and it can be done. And we have an IP68 rating where we can withstand submersion for up to an hour. That's our test. But we have an LED board at the booth. We've been submerging for about 4 days in water right now. Yes, but again, we still constantly innovate. We don't even stop there. We're still making the product better, more durable, easier to use, so that all electronic circuit boards and that won't be in the waste. We'll still be using it. It has longer longevity and things like that. Yeah.
Are there any questions from anyone?
How safe is the technology for like infants and babies?
So that's a great question. So we design our product right now for it to be non-toxic. So it's a water-based product, and we're actually running a test right now. We are ROS certified. We're doing our REACH testing right now because they changed the requirement for next year. So we're doing a REACH test again. But again, we maintain a water-based product. It's just safer that way. A lot of fabrics right now are not water-based and have different chemicals in it that are very harmful to anybody. But we've done allergen tests. We do a lot of certifications through the top 2 labs, Intertech and SGS, for all the reporting.
And you mentioned even bacteria. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yes, we went as far as testing staph and E. coli on the fabrics, and we have a 99.4, 99.9% reduction in bacterial growth. Right, so we have the lab test for that with MicroStar. It's just a different factor because you want to know what it actually works. So we want to introduce every different form of testing so people can understand there's a benefit in using nano-coatings.